everybody, I'm your man, Dennis Pitzenbarger, here at PRI in the Precision Turbo booth with my man, Griffin Seinfeld. And, you know, there's always a problem of when somebody like yourself makes a beautiful part that works perfectly and they gum it up with putting inferior parts in conjunction with it, but you guys have a solution.
You got that right, man. We designed a new drain flange to solve all the oiling issues, so we're excited to release it now.
All right, Griffin, I've got to ask, what are the problems that people are seeing that this product can solve?
Well, what we're really seeing is when people buy their turbochargers, they get their new turbo in, they go to eBay or they go to Amazon, they get their cheap drain flange, they grab a tube of silicone, and they get their paper gasket bolted on the turbo, and they fire it up. Well, they have issues with oil seepage out from the drain, they have smoking issues, they have just a bunch of different headaches that arise. And what happens is when you glob the drain flange up with silicone and the restrictive paper gaskets, the oil can't drain, because believe it or not, oil coming out of a turbocharger is not just oil like you're pouring it out of a jar. It's a real slow moving frothy foam. So what happens is oil backs up in the bearing system and we keep feeding oil, it has to go somewhere, and it goes out the seals and the compressor side and the turbine side, creating a bunch of headaches.
And what is the solution that you guys have come up with?
We designed a really slick flange. It takes away the need for all silicone, all gaskets. It's nicely O-ringed. It's all machined from a nice billet. And it's actually chamfered, and it has this almost double the inside diameter space as the conventional Amazon or eBay drain flange.
And what's been the response for customers seeing this and realizing what a simple and easy thing it is to avoid so many problems with their turbocharged applications?
Man, oftentimes they beat themselves over the head wishing they did it sooner, and you know, it's quite okay because it's honestly a lack of knowledge. We can't see the oil inside a turbocharger, so we start guessing. We start putting more silicone in there. We just change the gasket and bolt the same stuff back up and thinking that's going to fix it. And in reality, you know, bolting this flange on with a nice big opening inside, it solves the issue.
Well, Griffin, you know what? This is what I love about Precision Turbo. You take something that can be so easily a huge problem, design a great solution to it. If people want to get their hands on this drain plug so they can stop having problems with the gaskets, stop having problems with seepage, where do we send them?
You guys can catch us on any social media platform or go to precisionturbo.com.
You heard the man, precisionturbo.com. This is PRI.